Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to use the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. So basically this tool has two uses, including creating shapes and also deleting shapes. So first of all, for creating shapes, we're gonna create some circles right here by clicking Shift, so you can come up with a perfect circle. And then we're gonna copy and paste it by Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Like this. So this is how we came up with 4 circles duplicating with each other, and then I'm just gonna make this one longer to make a cloud shape. So to come up with a cloud shape, we'll have to make a shape like this for the outline, and what we do is we select all the shapes and then we click the shape builder tool right here, or Shift M as the shortcut, and then just drag it with all the shapes combined together, and the red line will indicate the final shapes. So this is how we use the Shape Builder tool to create shapes by combining all the shapes together. And the second use of Shape Builder tool is to deleting some elements. So for example, we're gonna create 2 circles like before, clicking Shift to come up with a perfect circle, and then I'm gonna put them together like this. This time I want to make an eye shape, so this is the element that I want. So what I do is I select both shapes again and then click the Shape Builder tool, but this time because we're not creating shapes, we're deleting shapes. So what we do is we click the option and then click the elements that we want to delete. So this is how we use Shape Builder tool to delete the elements to come up with the final shapes. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Follow my Instagram and Facebook link down below, and I'll see you again.